Hello guys! Today you're going to be working on the Causes of Vietnam War assignment. So you're going to go ahead and click on that and it'll take you to this Google Doc. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to listen to and watch this video, Causes of the Vietnam War. And then you're going to need to read the short passage to answer these two questions right here. Okay, so it should be pretty quick and easy. So I hope you have a great day, guys, and we'll see you out there. Oh my gosh, only 2 more days of work to do too, right? We have Thursday and Friday. So hang in there, you got it. All missing work will be due on the 29th, guys. No new assignments will be given after the 22nd.